Unang-una, demolition yun. Pangalawa, it's an attack against me and, against you. And most likely, they really wanted to discredit the whole of the Quadcom. And it's quite unfair, no, to all of the members of the Quadcom, especially the chairman. Medyo naging something personal to kay General Bato. I mentioned about yung kay Colonel Anunda tungkol dun po sa PNPA. Klaro naman kasi, no. Tapos si Grijaldo pa na tao daw ni General Bato. Well, in accordance, usapan nila yung common friend namin ni Colonel Garma. So, basically, yun ang nakikita ko na play nila to get even with us.
Naniniwala sina Congressman Dan Fernandez at Benny Abante, co-chairpersons ng House Quadruple Committee o Quadcom, na isang demolition job laban sa 4 House panels ang testimonya ni Police Colonel Hector Grijaldo sa Senate Blue Ribbon Subcommittee. Inaasahan namang iimbitahang muli ng Quadcom sa pagdinig si Grijaldo kaugnay ng pagpaslang sa PCSO Board Secretary na si Wesley Barayuga sa Mandaluyong City noong July 2020.
Siya ang chief of police sa Mandaluyong. Napatay si General Barayuga. Nasaan ang report? Wala. Walang report, walang police report. Anong ibig sabihin ito? Ang sabi ni Colonel Garma, marami siyang alam. Anong ginawa niya?